So the first thing I want to first do is I want to do a review of last week. Please, if you are seeing my screen, type 2 in the chat. Please, if you are seeing my screen, type 2 in the chat, please. I want to be sure that you are seeing my screen. Okay, let me go ahead. Now, I want to do a review of all this while we have been experiencing bearish market. We have been experiencing bearish market. And I think I just sent only 3 signals last week. First one was sent on I didn't want to even send any signal because I know most of us are still in a trade. So that's why I didn't want to send signal, but I still sent. But some people came to me privately that I need to send signal. So this was the first signal I sent on, I think that was on Tuesday. And the price that this coin started with as at last week Tuesday was 0.731. So if you go to the trading view to check it, because I've categorized all these coins according to the alternate coins and the top 10 coins. So if you go to check lit, you'll see that lit, let me remove all this. You can see the black line that I drew there. That's the price that this coin started as a Tuesday, and you can see that the coin has gone down, and that yellow drawing down, I already projected that the coin will go down as much as that. That's about minus 16%. But with the Bitcoin dipping, it now influenced the coin to even go down more. You can see that for the past 1, 2, 3, 4 days, the coin has been going down, and the last bars down, 2 green bars, is showing that the coin is about recovering. That's why I will be talking about money management. When I get to the agenda, I'll be talking about money management so that you don't enter into trade with all your coins. It's very, very important. You don't enter all your coins. It's very, very important. So now let me go to the next. You can see, let me give us the projection for this coin, because anytime a coin breaks this 100% level, it has come down. It doesn't have any other reason but because you can see that the candle has been going down. So the next thing on the coin is to come up. So it still have a long way to come up here, because here, let me change the color. You can see that from here, all the way from this candle, it took about 4 days for the coin to go down. So for the coin to go up, it can take another 4 days or more, because it must reach this level back. And if you go and check the 4-hour candle, you can see the coin has been doing up and down. So if you are even in this coin, you must, if you have done a good setting up to what I'm saying here, this coin went as low as let me check price range. It went as low as wow, it went as low as minus 32%. So if your settings that you started this trade with, it must have gone beyond that setting, because most of the settings that we have for our capital is up to minus 30%. So if it has gone more than this, then you need to increase your margin cost, because by this time it was here, by the time the coin was here, it got there and it was coming up, it will have given you profit. So you need to be patient with that coin. So let me go to the next signal that was sent. The second signal that was sent was CRV, and the coin started at a price of 0.561. 0.561. So let me go to 0.561. It is it. 0.561. Okay, you can see the crashing of Bitcoin really made all these coins really go down. 0.561. You can see the first black line that I drew there. The coin went down all the way from, let me draw it, all the way from this line. I want to know how many percentage it went down. The coin went down all the way from that to as low as minus 19%. So that's why you'll be seeing that if you are in this coin will have been in a floating loss of minus 19%. But around here, from around here, the moment it got to this place, it did some move up, some move up, some move up. So it will have done some small profit. But if I go and check the 1 day candle to see the projection, you can see that it has already broken the 100% here on the Fibonacci indicator. It has broken this level. So down, so it must always come up. You can see at this indicator here is pointing up. So it's coming up in some days. So you have to be patient. Now, let me go to the next coin that was sent. That was that's Shiba. Somebody told me that she needs and most time I don't even see on our Zoom meetings. So Shiba Inu started with a price of 0.0008. But I've been studying Shiba Inu. It's a very volatile coin. So let me go to Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. You can see Shiba Inu here. Okay. You can see that it didn't even fall too much. I think it was sent on Shiba Inu was sent on Thursday. So Shiba Inu came down. Let me do the calculation. It came down from here. It came down from this price here. It went down as much as minus 16%. But from here, it was able to do a profit of I'm coming. It was able to do a profit. So anybody that is in this Shiba Inu, it made a profit of about from here inside the dip, it even made about 5%, about 6% profit for anybody that is in this trade. Even while the coin was dipping, it made some profit. And from the stock RSI here, this is a projection that is already coming up. It's already coming up from here up. So it will soon get to this place and break out to give the person profits. So that is the review of our last week, all the 3 coins that have been sent to the group. Now, let me go straight to the next topic. Now, before I do a review of our last 3 weeks training, I want to quickly jump to what caused Bitcoin. Because if you go to the Bitcoin, if you go to Bitcoin, what caused Bitcoin to do a sudden crash all the way? Because I always say that anytime Bitcoin crashes, you can see the big candles. You can see all the big candles here. One was here, this one big candle, another candle here. This training here is not for it's a team meeting. If you send this link to a new person, is there any new person here? I don't think there's any new person here. Okay, there's a new person here. Okay. Anyway, the training that I'm doing here, okay, let me just use the benefit of the new person that are here, because this Zoom is for team members. So that means I have to do a short review of what RoyalQ is all about for the benefit of a new person here. Actually, this Zoom meeting is uh for the team. So let me just do a quick presentation for, because I'm citing someone that is very new here. So let me just do like 10 minutes presentation concerning RoyalQ. Now, RoyalQ, how do you earn? How do you earn? There's a cash flow corner that shows that the major four ways we earn is either you're an employee, or you are self-employed, or you are a business owner, or you are an investor. That's the four major ways we earn, we get our income. Now, how do you grow your wealth? How do you grow your wealth? Do you intend to grow your wealth through bank fixed deposits, or through gold, or through mutual funds, or through real estate? So what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is essentially digital assets. And the first digital asset that was ever created was called Bitcoin. And is over 14 years old. Was the first coin that was created that was completely decentralized, outside the influence of the control of the government. Outside the control of the government. That's why when Bitcoin was launched over 14 years ago, it was launched at less than $1. At less than $1. And over 14 years, just imagine Mr. A put $100. Let's say he put $100 to buy a land over 14 years ago, and another person put his own money to buy Bitcoin. Because at that time, Bitcoin was around, let's say over 14 years ago, was less than $1. If you bought Bitcoin at that time, you will have purchased 400 units of Bitcoin. 400 units of Bitcoin then. Now, currently, Bitcoin is, if you are able to hold on to that coin, onto Bitcoin since that time, let me look for the current value of Bitcoin. The current value of Bitcoin now, using TradingView, is I think it's around 26,000. Current value of Bitcoin now. Let me check the current value of Bitcoin now. Is 26,000. So it maybe you bought Bitcoin that time and you didn't sell it now. Currently, the value of Bitcoin, your total your investment now will be worth, what am I saying here? Because you bought one Bitcoin less than $1. Let's say you bought at 5 cents. By that time till now, you add down to those Bitcoins till now, your assets will be valuing over $10.4 million. That is massive. That's massive. That's one of the benefits of holding on to crypto. Now, know about cryptocurrency. Global digital currency. Crypto is a digital money that can be used globally with same value worldwide. That means the value of Bitcoin in Nigeria is the same value in India, it's the same value in UK. Just, in the normal financial market, the disparity between currencies are wide. That's why currently the exchange rate between dollar and our own currency in Nigeria is very wide now. The value of Nigeria is really going down. So that's why we need to look into other ways of investing. Now, Bitcoin, along with many other cryptocurrencies, has shown the highest growth in value in the last 10 years. We can see among all different assets, Amazon, Tesla, S&P, Google, Microsoft, you can see that in the last 10 years, cryptocurrency digital asset has grown to over 569,772%. Now, how to earn? There are about 3 ways you can earn in crypto. It's either you buy, you invest, and hold for a long time if you invest in the right currency, in the right digital asset, or you mine. And mining is a process whereby you use to generate new coins. There are several mining of coins outside there, but it requires a lot of investment. But there are several free mining. But at the end of the day, it might not turn to money. And you can also do what we call staking in crypto. Now, another way you can make money in crypto is by trading. Crypto trading inclines more towards the shorter or quicker routes instead of buying for a long time or mining or staking. Trading is just like a normal commercial business. You buy something at wholesale and you sell at retail. So that is what is obtainable in crypto trading. Now, what are the requirements for you to enter into crypto trading? Number one, you have to have knowledge and you have to have time and have patience. Now, if you want to engage in crypto trading, you want to be engaging in crypto trading manually, it's very, very emotional. You can see this woman that is doing crypto trading, how emotional she is. You know, there are some people when they want to engage in trading, crypto trading, they have to be studying the chart all by themselves, working in the middle of the night. They are very, very emotional. But we are introducing you to an artificial intelligence, a bot that helps you to do all those things that has to do with trading. Instead of you engaging in trading manually, you are a busy executive, you are a busy business person, you are an employee, and you are busy, and you want to engage in crypto trading. We are introducing you to what we call RoyalQ. RoyalQ is an artificial intelligence that was first set up, designed, created in the year 2017, and it was tested for 4 years to check how profitable, how efficient it was before it was released to the market. So what are the features of RoyalQ? Your capital and your trading profit remains in your exchange. The moment you install the RoyalQ bot in form of app on your phone, you are not putting your trading fund in the bot, in the app. No, your money will be in your digital bank. We have different digital banks that you connect to the bot to be able to be buying and selling. Now, it's a super intelligent software app because it helps to execute quantitative trading using artificial intelligence, real-time monitoring of the market for you, and tracking of big data algorithm. And it works 24/7. You don't need to be online. It doesn't need internet connection for it to be doing the job of buying and selling for you. And there's no loss. It only gives you profit. And it also helps to maximize your return on profit, your return on investment. You can be asking me, okay, if I put a certain amount of money into this bot, into this RoyalQ trading, how much should I be expecting weekly, daily, monthly? In RoyalQ, we don't tell us that you'll be making a return on investment. No, there's nothing like return on investment because you are engaged in buying and selling. You are engaged in buying. I'm doing training, and somebody say chatting me, I don't understand. Why won't you be on a Zoom meeting? And we don't give return on investment because this is live trading. Is live trading. So it gives your profit, it deposits your profit into your Binance, into your digital bank, because your profit is not in the bot. The only money you send to the bot is the money you use to activate the bot, which is $120 for a whole year. And any extra money you put into the bot is the gas fee that the bot used to do buying and selling. And you are not mandated, it's not mandated that you should introduce anybody to the bot because you are engaged in pure trading. But if you choose to do so, there's also an affiliate income that you can connect, that can also give you extra income when you share a RoyalQ with anybody. Now, how do you start with RoyalQ? Now, you need to start making money with RoyalQ by first signing up on Binance. If you don't have a Binance exchange, it's a digital bank that you put your phone inside and you connect the RoyalQ bot with it, and it will be helping you to do buy and sell. And Binance is one of the world's largest crypto marketplace, one of the top most digital bank exchange, and is the world's first ranked crypto exchange Binance daily volume is more than $76 billion daily, and is one of the leading crypto exchange. So, and the second thing that you need is RoyalQ bots, which I've already explained to us. And you need to bind the RoyalQ with the Binance. And what does this do? The only instruction you give to the RoyalQ bot is to buy, is to be able to be reading the markets and to be buying and selling. It doesn't do any withdrawal of your funds. It doesn't engage in any transfer of your fund. Because when you are setting up the RoyalQ bot and you are binding it, connecting it with your Binance, which is very, very safe, you are only giving it an instruction to only read the market for you and able to buy and sell. And RoyalQ activation is only $120 for a whole year. You rent it for a whole year. And after 1 year, you renew it. Any other capital that you want to start to trade, you just put it in your Binance exchange, your digital bank. So I've just done a very brief presentation of what RoyalQ is all about. And you want to know, okay, what are the potential earnings? We have several people. I can show you some potential earnings also from of some of our traders. These are examples of people earnings. These are daily, this kind of people that are trading with this amount, getting this kind of profit. They are not trading with small capital. Some of them are trading with as high as $6,000, $7,000. That's why you are seeing this kind of daily return. So if you are seeing like $1, $2, is as a result of the capital that you are using to trade. It depends on the capital they are using to trade that will determine how much you'll be earning weekly, daily, or monthly. There's no fixed daily returns in RoyalQ. So let me continue with the next. I just did that for the new person that is in our midst. Now let me go to the next agenda here. Now I want to talk about money management in RoyalQ. This is very, very, very important. Now, if you have anything like $100, you can't trade more than one coin. If you have $100, $200, you have $300, $400, I would suggest trade with only one coin because the market goes up and down, so that you'll be able to have some fund as a backup to be able to take more profit in the market and to reduce your floating loss. Let's say you have $1,000 to trade. You have $1,000 to trade. I would suggest that out of that your $1,000, divide it by 3. At least with this $1,000, you can be able to trade with $300. Make sure you leave the balance of $400 as a backup. With this $300, you can use our trade setting of $300 to $400 to trade on one coin. And if you see another signal, you can enter it with another $300. But the remaining $400, just leave it. In case the market dips, like what just happened recently, Bitcoin moved all the way down from 28,000 to 26,000. That was what I was trying to share with us. So at the moment the market is going down, you can use this $400 as a backup to be able to recover yourself from floating loss when the market is going down. Because the moment the market is going down, use the backup USD to be able to put into any of the coin that is really going down in floating loss. If don't enter into many coins, too many coins does not guarantee daily profits. Entering too many coins does not guarantee high trading profit. Only one coin can give you massive profits. It depends on how volatile the coin is as the coin is going up and down. If you have $2,000, you have $2,000, I would suggest divide this money into 3. Now go onto our PDF. If you divide this by 3, what will it give you? Let's say it will give you like $650. Then use $60 for one coin, around $60 for one coin. Leave the remaining balance in your Binance. You can even put it in your fund wallet and focus on this two to be trading two coins. Don't put the entire $2,000 in the market into one coin, so that you can have a reserve in case a coin is going down. Their balance to be able to make more profit in the market when the coin is going down. Please, because I know some of us have made the mistake of putting so much of our capital into trading, making the coin go down, and I don't have enough money to make more money. And please, so I've talked about money management in RoyalQ. Now, let me talk about this new the next agenda here on how to earn 3% to 20% more, even in floating loss. Now, I'll use example of I use one example. Where is this example? Fine. I saw an account that entered into this world coin. This person entered into this world coin when the value of the coin was $1.956. And it's a new coin. When the person entered this coin, I was amazed because the person entered into this coin behind me. Coin. When the person entered this coin, come, let me shift this up here. The person entered this coin when it was $1.96. And as at the time the person showed me this trade, it has gone down by to 1.709. The price the person entered was 1.956, and the price the person showed me was the current price when it showed me was 1.79. So the coin has gone down by minus 12.63. But despite the fact this coin has gone down, I want to show us something how you can make money in the deep. That's why with RoyalQ is very important. RoyalQ is not just an investment where you just put your money, you just leave it there, you are not monitoring that. Can you engage in any business? You will not be checking it here and there because you are putting your funds there, be checking your trades. Now, look at this coin. It's the same world coin. The person entered this coin 1.95, about from 1.95. Let me even go to the chart to show us. Let me go to the chart to show us. What rated the coin? This is the coin. Use the coin. You can see the coin was doesn't have enough charts. The coin does not even have enough charts. Let me go to 4 hours. Let me go to here. Let me go to 4 hours. Let me reduce this. Let me go to the 4 hours to show us. Now, this person entered this coin at 1.95 at the top here. I'm trying to show us how you can make more money in there. Because before you can do manual replenishment, I've already taught us that before. Before you can engage in manual replenishment, you need to first go and check that if I want to put more money into this coin to reduce the floating loss, what is the position of the coin there on the chart? Now, this person entered this coin when it was 1 point, I think 1 point what? 1 point, let me confirm. 1.95. 1.956. 1.956. So let me confirm. 1.95. 1.956. The person entered this coin at 1.956. So let me do the settings. 1.956. Can see the price this person entered this coin. You can see. Let me change it to, you can see the price, and it has gone down. Let me increase this. So the person entered at 1.956. That's the price the person entered this coin. You can see. Can that the coin has really gone up because the coin, when the person entered this coin, see this coin is a very, very new coin. Very, very new. Because a newly listed coin. Let me even check. Okay, let me use this one, this daily candle to be very easy here. So let me use this daily candle to calculate. So the person entered this coin here. The person entered here. Come on, let me shift this one down. Down. The person entered from this candle here. And for the past 1, 2, 3 days, it was going down. But in the next 4, 5, 6, 7 days, the coin moved up. So the person will have made some profit. Now it went down again in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, 9 day, 10th day. So it was still going down. Now, from the last candle here, this candle with the long wick here, if the person can able to study the coin from the 4 hours chart, because I know the person does not have this experience of checking the chart, the person will have to do manual replenishment. Even in the deep, the person will have be able to make from here. Let me start from here. The person will be able to make about 15% profit. Let's say if the person knows how to reach out the way I can learn how to reach out. If the person even put $200, even inside a dip from here, inside a dip from here, from down here, from here, the person will still make money. Let's say the person just put $200, will I be able to even make let's say the person just put $200, will have made about 15% of $200. Even inside the dip, the person will have made about $30 even in that dip. So when you are in floating loss, don't always panic. Let me go to my RoyalQ to show us how we can do that. I'm not on WorldCoin, but let's say the person is on WorldCoin. Like this coin now is currently deep. So let's say you want to like this coin now, the total money that has been put into this coin is $85. You are seeing it here. So if you click buy after you have done your analysis and click on market price, if you put $200, you can see, are you seeing it? That the floating loss here has reduced to minus 4.27%. Minus 4.2, all the way from minus 14 down to minus 4. So if the person now type $200 inside as I've typed $200, the coin will go down, it will come down, the loss will reduce massively to minus 4. So that's one of the ways you can do manual replenishment if you are in a floating loss. Because the moment a coin has crashed, has gone deep down in the market, it will always do massive move up like the one we just saw here. If you go and study the chart, it can do a massive move up like this. Like this, it can move up. So you must learn how to study the charts. That's why the next session now, all the things that I've been teaching us, I will need like 2 volunteers to come and tell me what you have learned so far in our training, because I will make you the host. So before I continue, I need a confirmation in the group whether we are able to understand what I've been saying so far. If you understand what I've been saying so far, just type 2 in the chat. I don't want to be talking as if what I'm saying, people are understanding it. Type 2 in the chat if you are able to understand how to make more money in the deep. You don't have any cause to be having any fear. See, let me be honest with us. I've been doing RoyalQ since 2021, and anytime I experience floating loss, I'm always tempted to. I've done it several times because in normal business is profit and loss. You can't do it without it. I have sold my coin in loss, and I will want to look for another shiny investment. If I go and put my money there quick, I will be able to make my profit because I've made some floating. It's not RoyalQ that caused it. It's the market. It's the coin that went down. It's not RoyalQ. RoyalQ will never sell at a loss. I have sold manually. I'll just click that sell on my RoyalQ if I want to sell because this coin is taking time to go up. I will not click sell by myself. RoyalQ does not ever sell in loss. Recently, I think about 2 months ago, when some of the alternate coin I was trading went so much down, I now brought out my $600. I want to go and put it in a project that was guaranteeing daily 1% profit daily. I say if I quickly put my $700 in this project, my loss, I calculated my loss that time. I can even show you on one of my private WhatsApp groups. If I have lost I sold, I couldn't wait again. And let me sell this coin, and I would lost $265. So let me go and put it into this project. I will recover the money back. I will now come back to I'll bring the money out, put it to my balance again. I will now continue RoyalQ. Lo and behold, that project I put that money, my money hang there. My money hang there. I couldn't recover that money again. If I have left the money, I have left the coin, because the coin must always go up. If it doesn't go up, you want to enter into another coin, you must do it with good analysis. Don't just jump into any coin. Don't join into any coin. This coin, you must be able to do your analysis very, very, very well before you jump into any coin. It's very, very important. Please don't jump to any other coin. And when you want to do your manual replenishment, I've taught all this thing before. I've shown us practically how you can reduce your loss and come out from the market from that coin. But the capital that has already entered into that coin will determine how much money you put. Like that coin, I told us that the coin has used $85 to buy that coin. It's because the total USD that's used to buy is very low. That was why when I put $200 there, it reduced the floating loss all the way from -14 to -4%. And I will still come out with some profits, and I can decide to sell because I know that if I put that $200 there, I'll be making profits from that coin if I can do my analysis very well, so that it will cover for my loss if I now even close that trade. So don't panic if your coin is going down, it's going down. What happened was as a result, what influenced even the coin to go down was because Bitcoin went down. So let me just address that before I continue. Recently, I think I save it here. These are some things that made the market to go down. That was around, it was not around, let me check the charts. I think around, there are people that are called whales in crypto. Whales are people that have big, you can see XLM is even going up now. Because whales are people, are traders, are invested in crypto that accumulate very huge amounts of coins in the market. Very huge amount of coins in the market. And when they do that, when they buy so much coin in the market, the moment they sell off their holdings, their assets, it will influence that coin. And one of the person that caused that in the market was Elon Musk. He sold $373 million worth of his Bitcoin that he acquired in 2021 to 2022 in the last 12 hours. In the last 12 hours, you know how much those people bought those coins at that time? He will have been buying that Bitcoin gradually, and I think if he sell, he will be making loss. No, that was what really had some influence in the market. And the moment Bitcoin begins to go down, people that are always emotional in trading, they will be selling off. And before you know it, it will influence every other coins in the market. And people that are very expressed in trading, they don't panic. Me, I don't panic because I have seen this thing happen several times. When the coin, even Bitcoin has even gone down as low as 70,000 before. There are some people that are praying, they are doing fasting and prayer. Let Bitcoin crash so that I can accumulate more before the bull market that is coming next year. Because bull market next year, you might be saying, I'm not give, it's not a financial advice. Bitcoin can be heading towards for Bitcoin. If you go and check the charts, let me check the charts. You will see that Bitcoin has done over 6,000 before. Let me check monthly charts. You will see that, okay, let me do yearly charts. You will see that, okay, let me use that. You see that Bitcoin has, I seen it. I seen that Bitcoin has done 69,000 before, 69,000, and it must come back to that price and it can break it because at every halving, Bitcoin always go up high above the former all-time high. So the best time to be trading crypto is now. To be doing crypto trading is now before the bull market by next year. So you can see that Bitcoin crashed massively as a result of those guys dumping, selling off their holdings when all those whales, when they sneeze in the market, everybody must catch cold. You can see the big candles all the way from 29,000. That's about in the last 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Bitcoin has been crashing down. People are ready. Are you not seeing that green candles? Are you seeing green candles? Let me show you that green candle. Are you seeing that people are already pushing up Bitcoin now? Are you seeing it? People are already pushing up those two green candles. So the market is recovering. And from the RSI here, Bitcoin is going on. At the moment, I'm telling you, when Bitcoin start to move up, Bitcoin start to move up, all of us that were in floating loss, that were being emotional about it, are emotional. You will see so much profit that will be dropping into Binance. When let Bitcoin just move from here, make a big move to around here. Is what will happen to all your floating loss. You will see all your floating loss reducing seriously. And RoyalQ just be selling all those USDC are help you to buy your coins, to be selling it back, giving you profit back in your Binance. And one of the benefits we have in RoyalQ is that we don't trade in the future markets. Let me just give us those people that are trading in the future markets. A lot of people that are trading in the future markets have made a lot of massive loss. You can see crypto bloodbath. The moment Bitcoin crashed for the past 4 days with those big red candles, over 1 billion of people's fund has been liquidated. RoyalQ does not trade in future markets. We trade in spot markets. We don't trade in spot market. So when you are saying floating loss, me, I'm not emotional because I've been trading for the past almost 3 years now. So when I see coin going down, it doesn't move me. I'm not emotional about coin going up and down. It doesn't move me because I'm not emotional about trading again. Because I analyze the market. Why is the coin going down? And what's the prediction that the coin is going up? Like most of the coin that, especially Acro, that people are making money from it so much now. So there was a time I entered that Acro that it was sleeping. But the moment that coin woke up, it made a lot of massive returns for people. So I've already done analysis of what made Bitcoin to go down. And another person that caused that thing is Michael Burry. He's famous for his prediction of the market crash in 2008. He shorted the stock market with about 1.6 billion. Anything that happens to the financial market also have some level of influence in crypto too. So those are the two guys that caused some crash in Bitcoin. And fundamental news in the market also cause coins to dip. And when coins dip, when coins go down, me, I'm always happy because I can get coins very, very cheaper because I know they must always come up. So let me go to the next agenda for today. The next agenda for today. I want two people to share what they've learned so far in our technical analysis that I've done for the past 3 weeks. So I want a volunteer to raise up their hand so I will know that. Okay, before I continue, I want to ask the breakdown I've just did just now. If you understood it, please type 3 in the chat. Please type 3 in the chat if you understood the analysis I just gave to us. Type 3 in the chat before I go to the next session. Type 3 in the chat. Type 3 in the chat. Type 3. All you just need just to type 3. Type 3. Okay, now let me go to the next agenda on the list. Now, I want about 2 people to volunteer because I want to be able to know that people are really following me in all my presentation. So I want 2 people to volunteer to open their phone, go to trading view, and identify resistance in the chart, support in the chart, and also identify downtrend and uptrend. I need 2 volunteers in the group. I need 2 volunteers so that I can know that we are following me. I need 2 volunteers in the group. I need 2 volunteers. I want to know whether all the training I've been doing on technical analysis, I already have the recorded video. I want somebody to volunteer to share your screen and tell me what you've learned so far in a technical analysis, how you can identify resistance, how you can identify support, and how you can identify a downtrend, how you can identify an upward trend. Is anybody there that can help us? Mr. Isiaka, please unmute your, I know you are a very good leader in tech analysis. Please, can you unmute? I want you to share with us your knowledge so far.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Okay, okay. Mr. Isiaka, please unmute. Please
Okay,
mute first.
okay.
Let me allow Mr. Madaya. Okay, I will make you an host. I want to make you an host now so that you will share your screen. You are the
Yes.
host now. So go to your trading view. Go and show us. Share your screen.
Yeah, I'm
Go and
sharing my screen.
share your screen. Share your screen and go to trading view. I want you to pick a coin and show us what you have learned so far about how we can identify a downward trend for us.
Yeah,
Identify a
so
downward trend. Okay, you can go ahead.
yeah, I just created watch list for a couple of coins. So
Okay.
let's say XLM. So I'm just suppose if I wanted to do analysis, if I want to check these trends. So first I'll do long press. I'll go to open chart,
Okay.
and here I can see downtrends and uptrends.
This one is really pumping. Wow.
Yeah, it is already pumping.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, and suppose if I want to create alert also, I can go ahead and create alert, price alert. Some alert I can create it, but I have not yet created. And suppose XRP also, I think it is pumping. So I'll do long press, and I can open this chart, and I think this is also pumping.
Okay, from this chart now, I want you to identify a downward trend in this chart for us. Identify a downward trend.
Downtrend, I did setup for, I have, I removed that setup. For example,
Can you
somehow
use the annotation? Okay, you can't use the annotation. I would have loved to use the annotation. From this chart now, From this chart, identify the downward trend. From where to where is the downward trend?
So downtrend is this is uptrend and this is downtrend.
Which one is the downward trend there? Which one?
1 second, let me open it.
Okay.
This is downtrend, and this one is whatever it's pumping, it's uptrend as per my analysis.
From where? From what point? I want you to show us from what point is your downward trend on this chart, because I'm already seeing it.
So downtrend is, so let's say
From what
0
point?
point, pardon? Yeah, pardon, go ahead.
Okay, let me help you. Let me help you. Now, bring down the chart. Don't go back to that chart. Go back
Okay,
to
okay.
that chart. To SRP. Open it. Bring down the chart down. Bring the chart down a little bit. Bring the chart down. No, draw it down. No, just tap on the chart by the side of those numbers there. Drop it down. Now, let me help you. From the, I see all those red candles. Red candles. From the
Hmm?
top of those red candles. Then that's good. That's good. I love that. It's okay like that. Now, if you check, if you look at the candles, the red candles to the top, you see there's one green candle before red candle started forming down.
Mhm.
Down. So the downward trend starts from that last green candle up. That small green candle, very close to that candle. From that place down to the last red candle here at the point where it's reached about 0.48, that is a downward trend. Now, from that place you are now, that I'm seeing 0.57, 0.5017, that's when the upward trend started in this chart. That's
Okay.
where it. So I think I even learned something from you recently now. The moment you even opened your chart, you know that me that have been training us, I learned something new. The moment you tap on the coin, I saw a price alert. I never knew that it's a price alert.
Yeah, we
Yes,
can create alert, price alert. Yeah.
no, I'm using trading view. I've never seen that. I'm not seeing it now. From the outside, I'm seeing this. So I appreciate you. I think you've done well. Let me just allow the second person to Mr. Isaka to also help us. So thank you. So
Yeah,
make me
thank
a
you.
host again. Make me a host again.
Yes, sir.
Make me a host again. Make me an host so that I can allow Mr. Isaka to also help us. Okay, Mr. Isaka.
Hello, Mr. Ribalusi. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not familiar with the use of these annotations, and I will have loved the last speaker or the last person to also show us the support and resistance. I'm not really good at drawing the support and resistance.
Okay.
Then, you mentioned it, that not only downtrend and uptrend, but also the resistance and support.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can open my trade view, but use
Open
of the
it.
annotations. Okay,
Open it.
okay. I hope my system will be powerful enough to combine the
No,
two.
just
I'm opening.
on the Zoom, just click create and just click share screen first.
Okay, okay,
Go for the option on screen.
okay, okay.
Look share screen, you see different option, but go for the option of screen.
Okay.
It took me time to be able to understand everything. So that's why I don't want to be rushing.
Is this screen or just share?
No, just click, and when you click share screen on Zoom,
Share
you see different
options.
options. So
Yeah,
go for the option screen. They
option
are
of
allowed.
screen. Okay, okay. I'm doing that already.
Yes. Now. Oh,
You
yeah,
can
go
see
to
it now. To my
yes.
trading view.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm on my trading view now. So which one do you want me to open? Anyone?
It's up to you, sir.
Okay. Let me use Solana.
Okay.
Can I use Solana?
You can use any coin, sir.
Okay. Let me use Solana. Solana from Binance. Let me go on for Binance. Solana. Okay. This is Solana. And I'll be using, what time frame do I use, sir?
Use anyone, sir. Go back, go back, go back.
Okay. Then,
this your EMACD indicator is very wide. You need to reduce it too.
okay. All right. Is it okay like
I see that line under that circle like American flag. That's one
okay.
dotted line. Put your finger on
Yeah.
and drag down to reduce it. No. To reduce that, it's too wide.
Okay. I understand.
To reduce it. No. That line, there's a faint line.
Yeah.
Below that, drag it down. To
Is
reduce.
it okay now?
Go on. It's too wide.
Okay.
It's taking half of the screen
Of the
you're
screen. Is it okay? You okay like this?
It's okay like that. So I want you to teach us first identify a downward trend in this charts.
Okay.
You can go to 1 day, you can go to 4 hours. Go to
Okay.
4 hours.
Okay. Let me go to 4 hours. 4 hours.
Okay. Okay.
I'm on 4 hours now.
Okay. So do you know how to use horizontal line?
I should. I can try.
Okay, from here, just describe the downward trend in this chart first.
Yeah, the downward trend starts from the point at which we have our. Okay, let me just do something here.
Horizontal line will really help you.
I'm trying to pick the horizontal line.
And click the plus sign down.
Is it the plus or the pencil?
Yeah, you pick that one. Now pick horizontal ray. Drag it. I'm seeing by yourself.
Yeah.
No, it's at the top of the wick. That
Okay.
red candle wick. On the top, slightly on top, on the top of it. Go up small. It's okay like that. No,
okay,
it's back. Come back down.
It's shifting by itself. Can we take that?
It's okay like that. So like tap it. Tap that dot in the middle. Tap it. Tap it.
Okay. So our downward trend starts from that point.
Then
Where
you need another.
then
line now. Another line.
Okay. Then it came down to. I'm drawing the second one. So okay, horizontal.
That's good.
Yeah. So from that point, from the top of the wick of the first candle, the red candle, down to 19.98 is our downward trend. Is our downward trend.
Do you know how to use trend lines, sir?
Yes.
Use trend line to connect that horizontal line up down to the one down.
Okay. Okay. So we go to our trend lines, tap on it, then you take it here. Down here.
Drag it down like that. Let's manage it like that. Drag it down. Drag it down. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Is it okay like that?
Yes, you tried. You know,
Okay.
the
It's actually
line.
it's my phone. My phone doesn't have enough power. It doesn't have that. You understand? It's not a big phone
It's still
as such.
working, Mr. Itaka. It's still working. You are trying.
All right, sir. Thank you. So
So
that's our
now,
downtrend.
from this downward trend now, you know, where is the resistance and where's the support?
Yeah, the resistance is at the first point 25.40, and the support is at 20.03.
From your understanding, sir, what do you understand by the word resistance in charts in crypto trading?
Yeah, resistance is the point at which we don't have buyers again, or where the buyers have all exhausted their power, and the sellers have now come in, and they are now selling, and as they sell, the price crashes and come down. So the more they sell, the lower the price of the coin comes down, until such a point where
It's amazing.
Where the buyers will now see that the people will now see that this coin is cheap enough, and they start buying again. And as they start buying again, the coin begins to go up again. And then the buyers move in again. As the buyers now come in and begin to buy gradually, the coin now begins to take off from the support level.
Okay, so where is the support level, sir?
The support level is at 20.03.
Oh, amazing. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
I love that. So,
thank you, sir.
This is what causes floating loss in RoyalQ. Do you agree with me, sir?
Sir, come again.
This is what causes floating loss in RoyalQ. Yes or no? When there's a downward trend in a coin. When there's a downward trend in a coin.
Okay.
Is that not what causes floating loss in RoyalQ?
That's what caused it. It is the market condition.
Is it RoyalQ board that caused the coin to go down in value?
No, it is the market condition. It is the forces of demand and supply that causes. I love that. Yes.
I'm really happy, because I need to ask this question so that most people that are always having fear of floating loss. It's not the board that causes the market. It's the value of the coin that went down. Is the forces of demand and supply that made the coin to. I really appreciate you, sir. Now you've done a very
good job.
Now I want to now also identify an upward trend in this chart. Use any of the candle in this. I'm seeing it already.
Okay.
Identify. And the first step is to draw another horizontal line. So give us another trend, locate another upward trend.
Okay.
This chart.
Okay. To get another, the upward trend starts from. Let me use. Can I use trend line again?
You are looking
Just a
for
moment.
horizontal line.
No, trend line.
But you need to first
I've,
draw, you need to first drop a support first. You need to first use an horizontal ray or line to first draw another line to locate your support.
my
Because
support, okay.
you already have one resistance already. So
Okay.
anyway, let me leave the job to you. Don't let me interrupt.
Okay. I want to draw a trend line that will show how the market goes up again. That's what I'm trying to do. And I want to use a trend line to do that. Pardon me, my phone is not too good. Maybe somebody,
Okay.
or if you can, not to waste.
Let me help you, sir. Remove
All
that
right.
trend line. Delete that trend line. Me, I'm already seeing
Okay.
an trend. Very
Okay.
small one. Seeing it. Now, from
Okay.
that 5.40, that's a resistance where the market rejected that price and it started coming down. Just go back. You see one green candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the back. The next green candle down.
Okay.
From that, just locate a support there.
Come again, from where?
That red candle up, you already understand line.
Yeah.
Immediately after it to the left down, going down, you will see about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles.
Yes.
And locate a support there from one of the green candle, the lowest green candle there.
Okay. So I should draw another horizontal line there.
Yes. No, come down. And that's it. No. Go up, go up again. And that's it. Oh, you passed it. Come down. Come down again. And that's it. Tap it. It's not that close, but it's still okay.
All right.
Still, so you can now tell us now the upward trend and the support you can find there.
Okay. From that place now, there is a. It is still a downward trend though.
No, from that green candle.
All right.
That green candle.
Okay.
I know that last blue line you drew.
Yes.
There's a green candle close to it. That's the wick. It's almost touching, but you didn't draw it close to it. You can
Okay.
draw
The next green candle after that, after this horizontal line.
Yes, on the top of it.
Okay.
I'm already seeing upward trend there. I'm seeing upward trend there.
Okay. Let me take another. Do I draw another? Okay, trend line.
To locate an upward trend from that chart.
I don't understand, sir.
How will I help you? Okay,
but,
don't worry.
Maybe I don't get what you are saying. From the first, yes, go on.
That last candle that is, you draw horizontal line of 25.40. That resistance and and price.
Yes.
Look back immediately after it to the left. You will see green candles going down.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
And the last green candle, that's where you draw that middle blue line again. So that middle blue line serves as your support. So from that place, up that green candle is an upward trend.
Okay. So do I draw another horizontal line?
No, you're not drawing another horizontal. Just draw a trend line.
Okay.
And possibly use a price range to tell us what is the pioneer profit you can take from there.
Okay, let me pick my trend line first. Where do I start my trend line from?
And bring that dot down. Becoming. There's a green candle and becoming. Go to your left, to your left, to your left. No, go up, go up, go up, go up, up, up. Stop. No, come down. Come down, straight down. Don't straight down to that horizontal line. That is okay from there. Now draw your trend line up that green candles to the hands up. Okay, you've seen it, have you?
Yes.
No. To that green candle up. Take it back, back to the left. Left one more time. Go back again to the right. Go back to the right.
The right.
To the little bit. To that green, red candle. To the wick. It's okay. Tap it.
Okay. It's there.
That's your upward trend.
Yeah.
From that green candle up. That's your upward trend. So can you measure the price range from there to your take profit price range from there? Do you know how to do that?
Yeah.
That how can you take your profits from that last support in that green candle up?
Okay.
What can you take from there? That's why I like 3 hours for profit taking. Price range for price range. Go to prediction and measurement.
Yeah, prediction and measurement. I hope I've not passed it.
You're supposed to overwrite it.
Again, precision and measurement, I cannot see it.
Just be going.
Is it that far down?
Wait, that's it. Price range.
Okay, I've seen it.
Forecasting and
I've
measurement.
seen it. Yeah, I've seen it.
Measure your profits. Let me see how you measure your profits.
Okay.
You have to go to that.
I think it's upstairs.
No.
All right.
No. You are going from up down. You have to go from down up. Delete
okay, from down.
Go and put that price range on that last green candle, the wick, where the trend line intersects the horizontal line. You now draw it up to the resistance to be able to measure your profits.
Okay, that is from the lower wick of the trend line.
The green candle,
yes. Of the green candle.
Yes.
Okay, let me go and pick my price range again.
If you favorite your price range or your tool that you use regularly, you have to favorite so that it can be at the top.
Okay.
To tap it.
Yeah. So from down.
And move to the left, to that green candle.
Okay.
Go to the left. Okay, let's try it from there. Okay, it's okay. Come down small. That means you can make like about 5%.
That is 5.82%.
Profits. You can make 5.82. So thank you so very much. You really tried.
All right. Thank you very much. I
have to be doing this so that I will not just be teaching people are not following. Okay. So thank you. You can make me an host again. Just go to the Zoom, tap on my name. Tap on my name and make me an host again.
Okay.
Make me an host again. If you learned what you just did right now, please thank God. Mommy is saying that at least I can understand and to wait when coins go down. It will be more better as sense of training. We have more money to at least stick for about 2 or 3 coins. Now make me an host again. Go to my name. Go to participants.
Okay. That's what I'm doing.
And click my name and go to the option of make a host.
Okay, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm
And then,
doing. I've done it.
thank you very much. So thank
All
you
right,
very
sir.
much.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Can I unmute?
you can unmute. So
All
if you
right, sir.
learn one thing, you learned how to identify downward trend, upward trend, resistance, please type 1 in the chat. You don't need to understand everything one day, but at least you got an idea on how to identify downward trend and upward trend. Please type 2 in the chat if you're able to understand, because these are things that are very, very necessary. See, RoyalQ is not about put your money. It's a place where you can acquire skills, certain skills. I was watching a video on YouTube, on Facebook today, and I was seeing people that they were professional. They are into trading. They are into trading. When I saw all the houses the guy has made, they asked the guy, how much have you made so far in profit in trading? Say he has made over $170,000 in a day. I need I've never started. He has bought over 6 properties, over 5 luxurious cars. If you see the office is using a 5-bedroom apartment for only training people all over 160 people in the world. RoyalQ is just beyond put your money, and they are not. It's about where you learn a lot of things about trading and acquiring skills is very valuable. So if you have learned one thing or another in that training session, I'm begging us, type 2 in the chat so I can know that you learn. Please, I'm begging us. If you're able to learn the meaning of downward trend, upward trend, resistance, and resistance and support, type 2 in the chat. Because if you don't type 2 in the chat, that means you didn't understand. And there's no point being on the Zoom. You don't understand what we are doing and are not typing. So anyway, let me go to the next agenda. Okay. Okay. Let me stop here for today because of our time. So let me allow for question and answer. If you have any question you want to ask concerning your trade, or you want to ask a general question, this is the time to do that, so that I'm about to close the meeting for today. If you have any question, please raise up your hand. Raise up your hand if you have any question. Okay. Any other person that have any question? Because I'm about to round up, because I'm recording the meeting so that anybody that missed it can be able to watch it over again. Okay, unmute your mic, sir, and ask a question, sir.
Okay. Yeah, thank you very much for this wonderful training opportunity. My question is this. Hello, are you still with me?
I'm hearing you, sir.
Okay. The last chart that I saw you use for illustration, I don't know whether I'm right. I was seeing more than 3 indicators, and I'm aware that
on my own chart, on my own trading view.
yes,
Okay.
I was seeing MACD, I was seeing RSI, I was seeing Fibonacci. Then please, is that the 3? Because I thought it was up to 4.
No, I use 3. No, I use mostly RSI and Fibonacci indicator. And recently, when I later updated my knowledge on how to use MACD, and I know how to use Bollinger Band too. So let me just use the MACD, the Fibonacci indicator, and the RSI. No, all those things. I want to be taking my time to be training us. I don't want to be rushing the training. Are you getting me?
Okay.
Because I don't want people to be. I know I'm still asking me a question. How many of us understood resistance, support, downward trend? It's only you that say you understood. So I don't want to be rushing. So the little bit that we have learned today, I want you to stay there. So by
All
next
right.
week, I will move to the next training on technical analysis. I want to
Okay.
do that. At least
All
I'm
right.
very happy that today's training was beneficial to one of our member here that was able to identify what caused the coin to go down and then what's the possibility of the coin going up.
Up
So
again.
I
Okay.
want to manage our emotion in trading. Don't go and be having BP. Don't go and be having fear. You are not trading in the future market. You are spending on
Okay.
sports. Every coin always have its own season. Anytime a coin does a massive dump, like this excellent, let me also show that excellent and we'll close. Anytime a coin does a massive moving up, it must retrace down. See, XLM is already pumping now. Anytime a coin, I seen it. You can
Yes.
see how this coin moved all the way from here, all the way from this place. Yeah. Let me even remove this. All the way from so when you see a coin dump, there's a reason why it dumped. It must. It must correct. That's what we call correction. The moment a coin goes down all the way from here, it went up from here to here. Can see that this candle is a very big candle. Very big
Okay.
candle. Now let me use a price range to calculate all the way from here down. This is a 1 day candle, a whole day candle. 1 day candle. The coin, you can see the coin went as high as 102%.
Hmm.
That's massive. This coin did a whole 102% in a day. In a day. 102% in a day. So the moment a coin pumps so high like that, it must retrace down back to this place or even down more. That's why this is a daily candle. This is a daily candle. So that's why since that time it has come down, it went up again. It went down, it went up again. Went down, went down, went down. But now, currently now, you can see that the coin is trying to move up again. Let me show us. Are you seeing it? A
Yes.
three, it's already moved up. It must correct itself because the more people have already pumped so much money into the coin and it has reached its all-time high. Within that range, it must come down. It must undergo what we call correction. It must correct itself. So when it's undergoing correction, people will be dumping because people must take profits. People must do what? They must take profits from the coin. As I take profit, it must go up again. I'm already seeing sign that this coin going up. I'm seeing sign here, it's going up. And this MACD is coming down, but the moment it shoot up above this it must come up. So it's already going up. So anybody that is trading this coin, just be patient. Any coin you are trading, the moment Bitcoin, I've already done analysis on Bitcoin. The moment Bitcoin start coming up, you can see the market is already going green. Your coins will go up. So thank you for attending this training session today. I I hope that this week Bitcoin will go up from analysis. That only one of us that we are in floating loss, which is not the real loss, we will recover more profit back. So don't enter any signal for now. Let your coin recover before you enter any coin. And if when the coin start going up and you want to stop it, then I've already taught us about money management. How you should apportion your coins in the in RoyalQ so that when anytime there is a dip, you can be able to make money in the dip and come out from the dip. So if there's no other question, I will call it a night so that I'll be able to make the video to be shorter for people to watch again. So thank you so much for attending this training this today. And this week shall be beneficial for us. So have a blessed night. And by I think around 9 Nigerian time, there will be a Zoom meeting presentation so that we can join to also learn more. And anytime we're doing training, please, if you're opportune, endeavor to attend so that I can learn more. So finally, the RoyalQ team, RoyalQ, our team challenge is still on between now and October. If you can recruit 20 people between now and in October, will have made about, you make $600, and from the team you will be giving another extra $100. So be able to try and share this opportunity with people. And I think I've shared several ideas, strategy on how you can share this opportunity. But I can confidently tell anybody about this RoyalQ because people's money is secured in their Binance. So God bless us and have a
Hello,
blessed week. You
hello,
want to
sir.
ask a question?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Okay, I ask so that I can end the
Yeah.
meeting.
No, this is just an opinion. I just want to
Okay.
say that the presentation material for RoyalQ, can you help us share it on the platform? The
Okay.
presentation materials that one can show to people to prospect.
Yeah, I'll do that. And but you can also use that
Thank
short video I sent to the group. That 4 minutes video. That's what I use.
Okay, I will go and check that. But if
That's
there
a
is any
video.
other one that is more elaborate, you can please share it. Just
I'll do
anything
that.
that is helpful. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Yes, sir.
Good night. Good night,
Good
everybody.
night. Good
Have
night.
a blessed